Welcome to the informative new Xiaomi 12 Lite, and I'll show you how to turn on or turn off silent mode on this device. So first let's open the settings application and then tap to the sound and vibration. Here scroll a little bit down and you'll see silent mode section. Just to activate silent mode, we should just click once on the switcher and we can see that the silent mode is activated successfully. If you want to turn it off, we should click on the silent mode switcher and that's it. Also, we can make it by the second way. Just first open notification banner shortcut and here somewhere you should find mute icon. Click once on the icon and we can see that the silent mode is activated. Just to turn it off, we should click on the mute icon once again and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.